Here on the green board, you are observing the presence of heredity, unit 8. So we have already discussed that there are 10 units are there in 10th class bioscience, biology. So they are nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, coordination, reproduction, coordination, life process, heredity, our environmental concern. This is the 8th unit, heredity. So here heredity means transmission or passing of characters or traits from parent to the offspring is called as heredity. Transmission or passing of characters or traits from parent to the offspring is called as heredity. What is inheritance? Transmission or passing of characters or traits from one generation to the another generation is called as inheritance, and that information is given page number that is 179 and old textbook. And here you see 177. Here you see sex determination in human being, page number 178. Sex determination in human being. So who is responsible for the sex of a baby? So here a mother give birth to a child. The child may be a baby girl or baby boy. So here we are observing two sexes, baby boy, male boy, baby girl, female baby or female baby. So here sex is determined by means of the father but not mother. So here sex determination is by means of father but not by means of mother. So that concept, that information we are going to learn in this lesson, in this video. So here you are observing what? Heredity, unit 8, lesson name. So here in this unit we are discussing what? Sex determination in human being. Who is determining the sex of a baby, a father or mother? So you know well that we have cells in our body, and all living cells consist of what? Nucleus. And nucleus consists of what? Chromosomes. So in each cell a nucleus is present, and nucleus consists of what? Chromosome. And 23 pairs of chromosomes are present in human being. 23 pairs of chromosomes are present in human being. 23 pairs. Out of 23, 22 pairs are autosome, and one pair of chromosomes are called as allosomes or sex chromosome. Allosomes are sex chromosome. So here our body cells consist of what? Nucleus, and nucleus consists of what? Chromosome, and chromosomes are of two different types, autosomes and also allosomes. And the chromosome whose structure and morphology do not differ between a male species and female species, and they are called as autosome. They are called as autosome, and they are 21 pairs. And the chromosomes which differ in structure and morphology in both the male species are called as allosomes or sex chromosome. In case of males, sex chromosomes XY. In case of females, sex chromosomes are XX. So now we are going to understand what sex determination in detail by seeing this what flow chart. So here you are observing the presence of what? Father chromosome and mother chromosome. So we inherited our traits from our parents. So we are getting traits from our parents. So here parents are two. So male parent and also female parent. So father and mother. And father, each cell of human body consists of 23 pairs of chromosome. Out of 23 pairs, 22 pairs are autosome, and one pair of chromosomes are allosomes. So here allosomes are present in each and every cell of our body, but not in sex organs, but not in reproductive organ. So allosomes are present in all cells of our body. So father chromosome and mother chromosome. So these are what? Allosomes, sex chromosome. Allosomes, males, XY. XY. This is small one is Y and this is X. So this is X and this is Y. And here you see XX chromosome. So XY chromosomes are allosomes in case of male parent or father, XY chromosomes in case of female parent or mother. So here at the time what? Reproduction. So males are producing what? Two types of sperms. So here if a sperm is what fertilized with ovum and it leads to formation of what? Zygote, you know well. So here XY XX. So this is X and this is Y. And here you see XX chromosome. So here when a sex chromosome of father what fertilized with what ovum or sex chromosome of female and it leads to formation of what? Baby girl. When a chromosome of father what fertilized with what ovum of mother and it leads to formation of what? A zygote, and that zygote develop into male child and also female child. So here you will understand clearly in case of male parents are having what? 44 chromosome, 22 page means 44 chromosome and one page XY, they are called as 6 chromosomes or allosome. In case of mother, same. Autosomes are same. The number and morphology do not differ between male and female species. So the number is 44 or 22 page. And allosomes are XX. 6 chromosomes are XX. So always female they release what? X chromosome. So ovum also consists of what? Only X chromosome. And here father is producing what? Two types of sperm. So one type of sperm consists of what? X chromosome, another type of sperm consists of Y chromosome. So these are called haploid. So here in the reproductive organs, meiosis cell division takes place and finally the number of chromosomes become half. So here half of the chromosomes are present, here half of the chromosomes are, they are called haploid, and there are gametes or sperm. And this gamete, this male sperm consists of 22 what? Autosome and one X chromosome. This is called as gynosperm. Gyno means gynosperm, and this is the sperm which is having what? 22 autosome but not 22 pair, and also Y chromosome. This is called as androsperm. So here father or males they are releasing what? Two types of sperm. One type of sperm they carry what? X chromosome with 22 autosome, and another type of sperm they carry what? 22 autosomes and also Y chromosome. So two types of allosomes are released by the males. They are called as gametes of sperm. So gynosperms and endosperm. Gynosperm consists of what? 22 autosomes and X chromosome. Endosperm consists of what? 22 autosomes and also Y chromosome. So in this way, males are releasing what? Two types of allosomes or sex chromosome. And females, mother always releases ovum. And this ovum consists of what? Only X chromosome. So here in reproductive organ ovary, meiosis takes place and finally the females are releasing what? Ovum. And that ovum is haploid. It consists of what? 22 autosomes and X chromosome. Here also 22 autosomes also X chromosome. So here ovum always consists of what? 22 autosomes and also X chromosome. Here you see when a sperm of a male fertilized with the ovum of female. So here this is what? Gynosperm. It is having 22 autosomes and X chromosome. And ovum also consists of what? Only X chromosome and 22 autosome. So when these two are what? Fertilized, after you see the formation of what is zygote, and zygote is receiving what? 22 chromosome autosomes from father and 22 chromosomes from mother and X chromosome father and so Y chromosome from X chromosome from mother. So here X chromosome is there in the sperm and X chromosome is there in the ovum, and here this zygote develop into an embryo and that develop into an fetus and this fetus develop into a baby girl, which having what 44 autosomes and also X chromosome allosome. So here baby girl is born. So here when a sperm carrying Y chromosome fertilized with what ovum, and this endosperm consists of what 22 autosomes and also Y chromosome. Here ovum consists of what 22 autosomes and X chromosome. When there is fertilization and it leads to formation of what 22 from father, 22 from mother autosome, and 44 these are autosome, and Y chromosome from father and X chromosome from mother, that is XY, and that zygote develop into an embryo, and that embryo develop into fetus, and that fetus may born as a baby boy or baby boy. So here sex is a male child. So in this way, sperms which are released by the males, they determine the sex of a baby. So father is determining the sex of a baby, but not mother. So we should not blame a woman who give what a baby girl or baby boy. So baby girl or baby boy, they are born because of the what chromosomes which are fertilized with what ovum. So here sex is determined by means of father but not by means of mother. So today we discuss what sex determination in human being, and this is there in page number 178, sex determination in human being. So all human, we inherited our traits from our parents. Each and every cell of human being consists of 23 pairs of what chromosome. Out of 23 pairs, 22 pairs are autosome and one pair they are called as allosome. Allosomes in case of males XY, in case of females XX, and these determine the sex of a baby. So here the chromosome whose number and structure and morphology do not differ between male and female species are called as autosome. The chromosome, their structure and morphology differ in male species and female species are called as allosome or sex chromosome. And sex chromosome in case of males XY and in case of female XX. So here and finally we conclude this topic. Who determines the sex of a baby? So here a father is determining the sex of a baby. So this is a long answer question, and this question is asked many times in SA2 examination in 10th class. All of you read this what question thoroughly, thereby you will get what good marks in annual examination or SA2 examination. In examination you may ask a question like this: describe or explain sex determination in human being with the help of a flow chart, or explain the sex determination in case of human being, or describe sex determination in case of human being. Like that you are getting question, who determines the sex of a baby in human being? So like that questions are asked in annual examination. You need to read this topic once or twice or thrice, then you will learn how to plot this that is flow chart, and finally you will get what good score, more marks. Thank you.